Nagalai hali establo camps mikhavai agreement ji Tangkhul kala high level inquiry commissions mikhavai boda foothills naka coordinations committee na PM moduli memorandum misangaira Hill areas committee li pangshap mikhavai boda tribal youth council Manipur na governor li ngakawhaira Ringyaophi ache Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Ringyaophi Ningshen ina palmidale pau bing may saina nanang roomsa Kugi grouping na haida kale establo agreement dangkhavai kala camps phaida khavai poda foothill naka coordinations committee FNCC na India with Prime Minister memorandum misanghaira Kugi militants grouping with suspensions of operations camp naka ancestral leihali khalei kala semkhavai ka sali committee jina makhamya memorandum jili hangsanga camping ji khalei kala establo agreements jila communal harmony constitutional order national security li threat ngasaya gaji committee jina hanga establo camps haida khalei kala semkhavai ka saji naka leihali naka nopingwi kathei makhamya mazangla maya pai mana kachi hanghaira kharam vaipe kala Scotland historically culturally scientific and kasa nagale hana gaji lahanga apam chili camp semkhavai saka provocations kala aggressions na da khira kala chikatha hotnara jina communal rot khamrat shok sak pai 2023 kharam tar kathum violently zakshimai shok sak pai kachi hanghaira FNCC na Manipur Governor wi manga ina Prime Minister Modi li misang kahai memorandum chili timan kasa kabisang boda khalei ji nagalai hali la ngalemli khalei establo camp saikora thakta phaida khami kugi militants grouping wi establo agreements ji thakta abrogate kasa kala renew masalui ki kachi German kala Tiger Roads ka ho shongfu ji masem khangasak hi timan sai Establo frameworks azingni matung makanda saga high saikoro investigate sakhavai high level inquiry commission sem khavaila pohaida kala kuki wuivang separate administration propose kasa akhalila naka ancestral ngale mazanga sak maragachi tui mikhavai demand sahir Manipur with tribal now pingwili kasa kahap Later Khalei Young Sang Kami Boda Tribal Youth Council Manipur TYCM General Headquarters Deola Land na Manipur Governor Lit Memorandum Misanghaira Boda Khalei Chaili Kamataya Sada Manipur Village Authorities in Hills Areas Act 1956 Le Kangaje Kwikara Village Development Fund Sam Kami Salaried staff appoint Kasa Kala Village Authority members Le honorarium in a sitting allowance Kamihi bodily. Boda Khalei Pekar being hina governance matang sakra grassroots level in a shuru kwikavai kasat coming a sara that TYCM nahanga. Ot kasali atam zanga wuivang connectivity kala hakasang regasangli sajatale gaji hangda kapung tribal pamli kwikada Khalei infrastructure in a shongfood project saikora takta kupsang sakavai pohaira. Kamataya tribal institutions Directorate of Tribal Affairs and Hills, Tribal Research Institute TRI Kala Manipur Tribal Development Corporations Limited MTDC Hikathali staff Mathata High Kamila Pohaira Kala Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes MSCST Contractual Utpam Media Klahi Regular Sang Sakhavai Poya 2019 Kayingaina Hapokta March 2023 Mayoina Tangdawi Paida Autonomous District Councils ADCS Ot Kasana Pingli 7th Pay Commissions Areas Mikhavai Governor with recommendation Pohira Article 371C with Atingni Kami 1972 Magku with Presidential Order Jili Ngajay Kami Hi Kamataya Sada Potale Hill Areas Committee HSC Legislative Financial kala executive pangshak mikhavai kala tribal affairs and hills with cabinet ministers mahaila HSC with chairperson pali tribal welfare with official in charge mikhavai potali tribal institutions being hili khangache makhwira kala pangshak mamiakha Manipur with tribal now being systematic young khara kala marginalizations ngaphangwa haura the council jin hanghaira Jingjirai Kolandi Khalei Christ King High School li Environment Conservation Awareness Day Miyon Haira. Ang ran ang yeji aya Archdiocese of Imphal Makhok Mida Principal Reverend Fr. Aloysius na Khangaja Dimlon Kavangakhui Environment Legacy aina Yangasang Darkar Kasaha Muram Likas at Sangam. Migumo we mirinle environment we kan khana kala khangak darkar Kasaha Maram Chitheda class 2 in a class 3 we kadam now ping na poster gasam presentations me. Maju kashok ningju kamata ina ye kashok amali kasat kamitwi kangaso poster pingji tingrong kathar plastic shigajin swigada kala biodiversity kavang kakhui hikatha maramli paisinda chithaya. Environmental tukui tir kavang kakhui pollutions control, renewable energy kala tingna rahawi life circle hikatawi charts, diagrams, models sang the exhibitions la kazip chili kwikaya. Class nga day the way katam now ping na exhibition chili yaw wada presenters ping ina jan pesa kangahan na sangarokta katam now ping chiwalungli ecological maram paning kawa lengasaka. Kala Jingjirai Kulant Chile climate change in a tingrong lingasang campaign release at the katam now ping na placards sing wuivang ngavauda safe nature safe future tingrong linglu kak tharda suilu ogotui hi ngaklu hi itumui akamang gache shimnada ngawang roka atumna kazachi ramnau ping na thegwida environmental kavang kakui janpauchi worship makanda vashunga Zimik Shoji School Campus li sakamata otsin kala tingrong lingasang ina kupsanga. Environment kangak maramli thaitang me kangasak mangmaningla katam nau ping jili ning kazanga environment ngak me sakavai kasat kami ngasaya. Environment Conservation's Awareness Stage kakhalat leilak kahai ang ranangi ngasaya da pau mishok. Okatui hi aman sakta kakhui kala nga kakhui thought sem khawai school community china chigatha otingrut khuiwara kachi hanga IAS officer Dr. Bunit Kumar Jewel na Manipur Chief Secretary ngapam formally khuihaira 1991 batch senior Indian Administrative Service Officer china Manipur Chief Secretary charge kakhui ceremony aya Chief Secretary we office all secretariat imphali khuikaya Shokahaya Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singhala State Administrations with senior officials pina ngarokhuya. Ang ranang chili Additional Chief Secretary Finance Vivek Kumar Divagant Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinha Principal Secretary RK Dinesh Commissioner Home and Ashok Kumar kala high-ranking bureaucrats ngatatayda wazanga. Manipur li kasak leida khalei maram ngatatayda wuivang Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC na Rajya Sabha MP Imran Pratapgarhi li New Delhi li sampanghaira. All India Congress Committee AICC Minority Department National Chairman Pratapgarhi hi Manipur wi zakshi sangda khalei ang red maram phaijithayda zatta khalei Parliament session li hangsang mikhavai pohaira. MPCC DMG Congress Kathana former MLA Muhammad Amin Shah MPCC General Secretaries Muhammad Amir Hussain ina Haitian Mekachandra Atum Zangam Atumna MP Imran Pratapgarhi li awi office residence New Delhi li wasampangda Manipur Janri li kahap khalei ina Kankhana Wotyur Kazadi Kahap Kala Ijam Jama Rijum Now Pingwe Lansin Rinle Sazida Kale Maram MPCC delegations China Hangjithaya Kala Luyot Kasali Kahap Leda Lui Kawa Now Pingli Sazida Kale Maram La Kapungshong Insecurity Instability Kale Maram Lahangachi Maram Pinghi Parliament li Hangmida Senders we Yang Sang Kami Pokvai Ngakawhaira Jane and Asoda Congress Party with organizational base Manipuri Khalei minority Muslim population with alungli maling may nga sakawai nga sana da hanga. MP Imran Pratapgarhi na awi kagatom tuimida ana ground reality tekwi kawai masangla Manipur ungra. Kala maramhi takta yang sangmirada hanghaira kachi ID Pauli Sampanga. Foothills Naga Coordinations Committee with Agitations li Amei Youth Front Nagagatom Hongshokhaira. Organizations Chinakahang Manipur na India li March Kasa Atam li Mathalak ina kaisho kahai regions thuruk lei hairasai. Kha atam chatwa mamanda Myanmar shongina rakazang mipingna forest area li rasom kala unauthorized kung rasemamanda indigenous population li displaced samaman hawa gaje front chinahanga. Kala ram som pingje tara khali popilui wakhavai krer ngahong yaite khawa. Kala truck productions we kamataya source nga sa hawada hanga. Kala chile kazang pingna victimhood claim sada nga leijuwe leva na the established sakhavai hotnara gaji home youth front na hanga. Fudil sli kabam maitinaw pingna atumwe nga le nga khawai ka sali threat le hawa gaji hang sangam. 2023 kum hago pok tu short we rot kamrat shop khanga sak pingjina kapungli maling meda kadewe khung khawali hapta le gachila home youth front na claim sai. Rabam thatar kayakha Indian regime now na the constitutional benefits of bodale gachil hang sangam. Situations in the indigenous communities were lonely to short pashok sak paya gaji youth front china ninga creek pongshoka. Illegally razang da gugi mi taraka manipuli rasom kahaina gaji front china hangda jigatha migrations chi atam chata mayang sangaka sakla kahai sagazi rashok paya gaji hangmachin haira. Parliament monsoon session haugapokli operation sindur eina kaying magada khani balgam dere attack maram ngasan khawai oppositions MP pingna demand kasalungli kazipchi ngawun rup kupsang haira. Maram chingalangda ngasan khawai kapo khangawaw ina Lok Sabha le shaika khut layada adjourned sasada kupsanga. Rajya Sabha la shaika khut le hawa maram pingchi shorkar na ngaphat ngaye masangai tuwada opposition bench na penda kazip jiwi ina zachok hawa. Proceedings chi government we mijang ina zat hawa da Congress we Rahul Gandhi na makhamya pongshoka. E oppositions kathana sada matui khawai mashun le da Rahul Gandhi na sessions khangasama tamne paume pingli hanga. Leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi li mamatui ngasak tuwada Priyanka Gandhi nala hangsang. Monsoon session kazipchi national anthem in hapokta Pahalgam victims in Air India crash li sagazibingli tribute milaga question hours hapok khawai saya. Ka hapok minute mag shikawalungli Lok Sabha khangiyachi ngashun bungparo in dangda adjourned sahawa. Juwitili kashika wuivang vapam laga pung kanina tangda adjourned salui nauta ngazin pung madiena tangda adjourned salui hawa. Rajya Sabha la adjournment motion strategy shat shi shokachi. Operation Sintur Wimbaramli Congress MP Randip Surjiwala na business motion kapar nauta rule 267 nu azingli Miami hawa. Ayawi kazipchi tajam mazadrar tuwa the bills kala debate notice ngadate da rakhara sittings li kaseva haira. Operation Sintur kala balgam we maram zangda oppositions na hangda khalei maram bingji parliament na address masarang lakai na tangda session chi chata zatbara dalei. Ukhrul district li khalei GNV Ramvali class 6 tamkhawai online application ngohot dalei. PM Shri School Jawahal Novadia Vidyalaya Ramvu Ukhrul 1 to session 2026 to 27 li class 6 tamkhawai selection test saura. Class 6 selection test chi Ajikum kayon December tarik trada katum thang rumira. Porikha wuivang application July marangachang hiwi tarik magadi jikona khanawang simiksho ngasara. Selection test wuivang candidates 2014 kum May kharam tarik akhaina hapokta 2016 July marang tarik thumrata akhaina tangda welungle kaparana ngasap lungra. Academic session 2024 to 25 li class 5 tam kahai pasa kahai ping selection test hili mazang paimara. Kala candidates ji Ukhrul district hiwi in a class 5 full academic session tam palungra. Selection test ji candidates akana khani shide apply masa paimara. Repeat ka sathe ka selection test ji mathang sak mara. PM Shri School Jawahal Novadia Vidyalaya Ramvu Ukhrul 1 ti co-educational residential school na. Chili free education board kala lodging miyam. NCC Scout and Guides games and sports hikata high miyam. Class 6 tamkhawai selection test with registrations wuivang website cpse.itms.rcil.government.in and vsli vapaira. Help desk Singsho Zimikli 700-5495-121 Kala W Dana Shiamtli 811-8942-325 Li Ngahan Paira. Ukrul District Headquarters Li Rungmiki Kachi Legal Awareness Program Li Rajangkhawai Village Authority Mingnin Bingli Manipur State Legal Service Authority MASLSA Ngahotale. Legal awareness to the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitations and resettlement Act 2013 Wimaramli Hangjiteira. Angranangi hi Tangkhul naka awungalong TNAL ling shikta makok kamina. Legal awareness program jikajang hiwi tarik magada thuruk thang apamna Jubilee Hall UBC apam ngathor pung trada akhain hawpokta ngashun pung khani na tangra. Angranangi Chili Manipur High Court Chief Justice MASLSA Patron-in-Chief Justice K. Somashekar na Masawa Sada Zangra. MASLSA Executive Chairman Manipur High Court with Judge Justice A.P. Molsing, HCLSC Chairman Manipur High Court Judge Justice A. Ganeshwar Sharma TNL President Swart Vashum Atum Khayawa Sada Vazangra. Legal Awareness Program Chili Tangkhawai Kakachivu Eina Village Hetman Linga Soda VA Mikhani Rami Kavai Ngahotale. Wuivang Avavuli Tie Lupa Ting Kamira Ngator Pazat Ran Mira. Latluita Ajiwi Kamataya Pauping. Nakalai Hali Establo Camps Mahai Kavai Ekremenji Tangkhawai Kala High Level Inquiry Commissions Sam Kavai Boda Foothills Naka Coordinations Committee na PM Modili Memorandum Misangaira. Hill Areas Committee li Pangshap Mikhavai Boda Tribal Youth Council Manipur na Governor li Ngakawhaira. Ajuwi Pao Hiling Janghaira Pao Nganada Clean Thum Saikorali Ringyaophi Kalakhamhai Zimikshong Saserana.